In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with your Android phone using NFC. If you want to make quick, contactless payments with your phone, this is a simple process once everything is set up correctly. Before you head to the checkout, it's a good idea to make sure your phone is ready so the payment goes through smoothly without any delays. The first thing you'll want to do is turn on NFC in your Android settings. To find this, open Settings, then go to Connected Devices and look for NFC. NFC stands for Near Field Communication, and this is the feature that allows your phone to communicate with a payment terminal when they're close together. If it's switched off, your phone won't be able to make contactless payments, so make sure it's enabled before you try to pay. Next, verify your default card in the Google Wallet app. Open Google Wallet and check which card is currently selected as the default payment method. This is important because in many cases, your phone will automatically try to use the default card when you tap to pay. Taking a few seconds to confirm this helps avoid using the wrong card by mistake, especially if you have more than one card saved in your wallet. When you get to the checkout, look for the NFC or contactless payment icon on the payment reader. This symbol tells you that the terminal supports tap to pay transactions. If you don't see the icon, the reader may not accept contactless payments, so it's always worth checking before you try. Position yourself so you can easily reach the reader with your phone and keep the device ready in your hand. When it's time to pay, unlock your device and hold it steady over the reader until the green checkmark displays. Keeping the phone still is important because moving it away too quickly can interrupt the connection. Usually you only need to hold it close for a moment, but wait for the green checkmark so you know the payment has been recognized successfully. Depending on your phone and the reader, the best spot might be near the top or back of the device. So hold it close and steady rather than tapping quickly and pulling away. And that's it. Once the green checkmark appears, your payment is complete. With NFC turned on, the correct default card selected, and the contactless symbol confirmed at checkout, paying with your Android phone becomes fast, convenient, and easy to repeat every time.